Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui te rā. Mōrena, Mr. Sun. Mōrena, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Kōkā. Here in the forest with me, the 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's go and meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro Tribe. Tākaro Tribe, what are you up to today?
We're smelling the scents drifting from the forest. I can smell sweet flowers. And I can smell wet leaves.
What's the matter, Oo?
I can't stop sneezing, Kōkā.
I wonder what's got up your ihu nose.
Ooh, my puku is flashing.
O Pāpā Rākau tēnei.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau.
Kia ora, Is everyone there?
Aye.
Me ētahi. Me too.
Ngā mihi, Tākaro Tribe. You too, Wao. You're very special.
Ngā mihi e pā. Pāpā Rākau, we have a problem. Ooh can't stop sneezing.
Perhaps Oo has hay fever. Come and see me. But remember to visit Kōkā first.
Ka pai, let's go see Kōkā.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā. We have a problem. We were smelling scents from the forest and now Oo can't stop sneezing. But Pāpā Rākau said he can help Oo.
Do you know why we sneeze?
Ka, Kōkā.
We sneeze because pollen from flowers creates an itch in our nose.
This is my ihu. Nice, Kōkā.
That's right, Ear. Pāpā Rākau is wise. He will know how to treat Oo's itchy ihu nose. You should go to him straight away.
Ka pai, Kōkā.
Amariki mā, noho mai ki aku kakiaka, whakarongo mai ki ngā kōrero o te ao marama. Aue.
Tākaro Tribe. You've arrived.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau.
How are you feeling, Oo?
I still can't stop sneezing.
You have hay fever. It's caused by pollen from flowers. Ruru has a cure for you. You need to visit him deep in the forest.
Small problem, Pāpā Rākau. How do we get there?
Pooh will take you. She won't be long.
Yay!
What did Kōkā tell you?
She said Oo's problem is his ihu, nose.
Do you know that different creatures have different ihu, noses?
How?
Let's take a look. Aihe, dolphin, doesn't have a nose as such. When it comes up for air, it breathes through its head. An elephant has a very long nose it can also use to grab things to eat. And the kiwi has a beak with nostrils right at the end, which it uses to smell food.
Ooh! Whoa! Whoa!
Goriake! Out of the way!
Whoa! Sorry, my friends. The wind was a bit too strong. All aboard, Tākaro Tribe!
Don't forget your recycling bags. You can collect pepper, paper. You collect the krahe, glass. You're on kena, cans. Or you collect parakai, waste food. And the plastics.
Ka pai, Pāpā Rākau. It's time for our karakia. E te wānei e hora nei, tēnei te Māori ka whakapiki, ko te Māori o ngā tamariki a tāne mākuta. Te Māori ka puta ki te whaiau, ki te ao mārama. Haumi e hui e tai ki e.
Be on the watch for Ruru, Tākaro Tribe.
Ka pai! All aboard, Tākaro Tribe! We're off!
E noho rā, Pāpā Rākau.
There's the ngahere, forest.
Ira, look! I can see lots of pua on the trees.
What you can't see is the pollen drifting in the air from the flowers.
But up here the air is fresh. I stopped sneezing poo.
Backpack's off so we can collect rubbish.
Yeah, I've got some glass. I found an ipu kiriho, a plastic container.
That's not the right bag.
Yay!
Here's Ruru's tree, and here's Ruru.
Kia ora, Ruru.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe. Welcome to the forest.
Pāpā Rākau said has hay fever. And it's caused by hay. Pollen that makes our ihu nose itch.
That's right. Here's a common cause. This tree is a rata. You can see yellow pollen on the spiky ends of the flower.
Whoa!
Wait, Kōkā just texted. She sent the word of the day. It's in the kete.
Where's the kitty?
There, on that toka rock. Ihu is the word of the day.
But how does that help? Ooh!
Come over here and find out.
What are you doing, Ruru?
I'm perched on a manuka branch. When its leaves are boiled, it creates a healing steam. Get closer, Ooh. Bend over and breathe in deeply. How do you feel now, Ooh?
My eyes have stopped watering. And my nose isn't itchy. Yay! Let's celebrate with a waiata.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe. How are you?
Ruru helped me get better.
I'm pleased you're feeling better.
Yay!
Shall we look at what our friends have been up to today?
Ihu! 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 Ihu!
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe. Did you have a good day?
It was beautiful.
Let's take another look at what you did today. First, Oo couldn't stop sneezing. Pāpā Rākau told you Oo had hay fever and Ruru could help. Ruru told you pollen from the rata flower was causing Oo's hay fever. But breathing in manuka steam cured Oo.
Yay!
And you learned a new word. I-ha-oo. Ihu. Ihu. Today was a very healing day. What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say goodnight. For Māori, good night, Tākaro Tribe.
Roia tō mata, parai he hia o niho. Kuhuna o kakamoe po Māori e kuhu ki te moinga. Takoto iho ki raro,